Hello, I'm Dionne Swift, and today I'd like to show you some pleated fabrics as part of the Structural Stitches series. We're going to take it a stage further on and look at cutting, some waves, maybe some double-sided pleats as well. I'm going to give you plenty of examples. I've kept things nice and quick and simple by not pinning anything, not measuring anything, using the machine to guide me. And straight away, I've got something that is three-dimensional. Other ways that we can use pleats. We could take a pair of scissors, create a beautiful surface like this by simply snipping in to the top edge of the pleat.